Yo, let's talk about Pakistan. Born on August 14, 1947, this nation emerged from the shadow of colonial rule, hungry for freedom. Before that, it was part of British India, a land with a rich history and diverse people. But within this diversity, tensions simmered. Muslims, underrepresented and yearning for autonomy, rallied behind the idea of a separate homeland. This vision was spearheaded by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a lawyer turned political leader who became a beacon of hope. Jinnah, often called Quaid-e-Azam, meaning great leader, argued for a separate Muslim-majority state where they could practice their faith and shape their destiny.
The call for an independent Pakistan wasn't just about religion, though. It was about self-determination. It was about having a voice and a seat at the table. The movement gained traction, uniting Muslims across the subcontinent. Poets, writers, and intellectuals fueled the fire of independence with their words. The struggle was real, marked by peaceful protests and political maneuvering. They were fighting for a future where their voices could be heard.
1947. Independence arrived, but it came at a cost. The Indian subcontinent was divided, giving birth to Pakistan and India. Partition, as it was called, led to one of the largest mass migrations in human history. Millions were displaced, their lives uprooted in a chaotic and often violent transition. Families were torn apart, communities shattered. The human cost of partition continues to cast a long shadow.
Despite the turmoil, Pakistan rose from the ashes. The newly formed nation faced immense challenges. Establishing a government, creating a functioning economy, and providing for millions of refugees were daunting tasks. Yet, the spirit of resilience shone through. People rebuilt their lives brick by brick, dream by dream. Pakistan, in its infancy, was a testament to the human will to survive and thrive.
Pakistan has come a long way, but the journey has been anything but smooth. Political instability, economic woes, and social challenges have tested the nation's mettle. Corruption has reared its ugly head at times, hindering progress and eroding trust. Terrorism, a global threat, has also cast a dark cloud over Pakistan. These challenges are real, and they demand attention.
Yet amid these struggles, hope persists. Pakistanis are known for their resilience, their entrepreneurial spirit, and their unwavering belief in a brighter future. The nation is young, it's still finding its footing, but within its borders lies immense potential. From the towering peaks of the Karakoram to the fertile plains of Punjab, Pakistan is a land of diverse beauty and untapped resources. The key is to harness this potential and steer the nation towards a path of sustainable growth and prosperity.
Section 4. Forging a brighter future, education, unity and innovation. So how do we move forward?
Education is key, yo. Empowering the youth, especially girls, with quality education is crucial for progress. It's about equipping them with the tools they need to become the leaders, innovators, and changemakers of tomorrow.
We need to invest in schools, universities, and vocational training centers. We need to foster critical thinking and creativity. Education is the bedrock of a strong and prosperous nation.
Unity is another crucial ingredient. Pakistan is a diverse nation, home to a multitude of ethnicities, languages, and cultures. This diversity is a strength, not a weakness.
We need to celebrate our differences while remembering that we are all Pakistanis, united by a shared destiny. We need to bridge divides, promote tolerance, and stand together as one nation.
Section 5. The Enduring Spirit of Pakistan, a tapestry of culture and resilience. Let's talk about the good stuff, man.
Pakistan is a land of vibrant culture and heritage. From the majestic Mughal architecture to the soulful sounds of Sufi music, Pakistan's art forms reflect a rich tapestry of influences.
The hospitality of its people is legendary. They welcome you with open arms and warm smiles, sharing their traditions and stories with genuine warmth.
This spirit of resilience and generosity shines through in times of adversity. When disaster strikes, be it earthquakes or floods, Pakistanis are always the first to lend a helping hand.
They embody the true meaning of community, coming together to support those in need. This spirit of compassion and empathy is something to be cherished and nurtured.
Section 6. A call to action building a Pakistan we can all be proud of. Pakistan at its core is a nation of hope.
It's a nation with a young population eager to make its mark on the world. The challenges are real, but so is the potential.
It's time to step up, to be the change we want to see. Let's invest in education. Let's promote tolerance and unity.
Let's celebrate our cultural heritage while embracing progress and innovation. This is our time, yo.
Let's build a Pakistan where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive, where poverty is eradicated and where peace and justice prevail.
Let's work together hand in hand to create a brighter future for generations to come. Pakistan Zindabad.